How to use Pond Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Pond is a popular marketplace for stock footage, music and media assets, but beginners often make mistakes that waste money or time. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is buying without searching thoroughly. Most people get this wrong by picking the first clip they see. Use filters for resolution, duration, and license type to find the best fit for your project. Second mistake, ignoring licensing details. You won't believe how many users get in trouble by misunderstanding commercial versus editorial use. Read the license carefully to ensure you have the right permissions. Third mistake, not previewing assets fully. The surprising truth is that watermark previews can hide issues like poor audio quality or abrupt cuts. Watch the full preview before purchasing to avoid mistakes. Fourth mistake, neglecting bundle deals. Pond offers packs and subscription discounts that beginners often overlook. Check for bundles to save money if you need multiple assets. Finally, failing to organize downloads is common. Keep purchase files and clearly label folders by project to save time and avoid confusion later. By searching carefully, checking licenses, previewing assets fully, exploring bundles and organizing files, you can use Pond efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes and your creative projects will be smoother, more professional and cost-effective.